In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and edit a contact group in Outlook. If you send emails to the same set of people regularly, a contact group, sometimes called a distribution list, can save you a lot of time. The process is straightforward and works in both the classic Outlook and the newer Outlook or web version. The names of the buttons are slightly different, but the idea is the same. First, open your Contacts area. Click the People or Contacts icon in the Outlook navigation bar. In classic Outlook, you'll usually see this at the bottom left. In the new Outlook or the web app, it's on the left side panel. This takes you to your contact management view, which is where groups live. Next, create the group. In classic Outlook, choose New Contact Group. In the new Outlook or web, choose New Contact List. You are starting a single list that you can address like one recipient, and Outlook will email everyone on it. Give your group a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. For example, something like Project Team or Family Updates. Names matter, especially if you plan to keep multiple lists. Now add members. Click Add Members. Then decide where you want to pull people from. You can pick names from your Outlook contacts. Look up entries in your address book, or create a new email contact if the person isn't saved yet. If you are searching a directory, type a few letters and select the correct person. If you are creating a new email contact, carefully enter the email address so messages don't bounce. When you are satisfied with the list, click Save and Close. Your new contact group is ready to use, and you can address an email to it just like a single contact. To edit an existing group, go back to People and find the group by scrolling or using the search bar, then double-click to open it. From here, you can modify the membership. To add more people, click Add Members and choose the appropriate source. Just like before, to remove someone, select their name in the list and click Remove Member. This takes them out of the group without deleting their contact from Outlook entirely, so you can still email them individually later. When you are done making changes, click Save and Close to update the group. If you forget this step, your edits won't be applied. That's it. Thanks for watching.